birthday cake. Yeah! Sleep na po! Ah! Cute! Good morning! River! Sa beach na ikaw!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Vlog. Well, actually it's not a weekend, but it's my birthday. So welcome to the birthday vlog, Momshies. We're here today at Pico de Loro. It's our second stay here, but this time we went with our friends. So we're here at Dada and River is here. Hi, River! Nalakad ka na po. Oh yeah, miss mo na si Mama. Ay, gusto mag-mimi. Okay, mimi break. I'll talk to you later. Mimi break. So, Mommy, I'm gonna show you the Airbnb unit na in-rent namin today. This is around 6,500 pesos. It's the best value for money. So yeah, we are 7 adults. So eto, they have 9 beds. So this is the master's bedroom. Tapos meron siyang folding bed doon. And dito yung kanyang sala. Yan yung sala area. Yan, ang ganda ng view. Nakaharap siya sa view. Yun yung sala. Si Vicmar. Hi, Vicmar. Jill. Tapos ito yung view niya. Sa sala mismo. Ayan. Tapos merong kainan dun sa labas. Pwede kumain. Umupo, magkape. And ito yung view ng sala from this side. May dining area dito sa gitna. Yung mga furniture siya, wood furniture. And si Dada. This is the kitchen area. Kitchen area. Meron siyang table, ganyan. Ref. Tapos lutuan na area. So, ang ganda. And I'm gonna show you also the second bedroom. The second bedroom is this. Meron siyang dalawang double deck. Ayan. Dalawang double deck. So, double deck dito. Tapos meron pang isa pang folding bed. So, maganda siya. Spacious. Tapos gusto ko yung ano niya, makapal. Diba? So, ayun. And meron din silang cabinet na kasama and dresser. This is the CR. This is their restroom. Yan yung kasama sa restroom. Meron siyang cabinets dyan. Dresser, toilet. Ayun, very spacious. Meron siyang shower area. Oh, may shampoo na rin. Yan na ang birthday cake. Yeah! Adobo estofado. Sinuglaw! Excited ako sa sinuglaw. Fried chicken. Spaghetti. Niluluto pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello guys. So, dito na kami. Papunta na kami sa beach. Pero nagkahiwalay kami kasi naiwan kami sa elevator. Hindi kasi namin malaki yung unit. Ngayon nalock namin. Mas nauna pa kami kila Dada kasi sila Dada naglakad sila. Andun pa sila. So, for the meantime, photoshoot time! Tapos pupunta kami sa beach. So, I'm just wearing this hat. Nabili ko sa SM. Luma kong swimsuit. And shorts, bagong bili ni Dada. From Bench. So, yan. Photoshoot time! Ayun, so excited na. Ang ganda dito. Ganda dito, guys. Nakalagay love. Bago yan. Wala yan dati, nandito kami. So, I'm here with my, with my childhood friends. This is Vicmar, who is single and ready to mingle, and Jill,
Not single.
Taken. Not available. So, ayun, hintayin namin sila. Talagang naglakad sila. Oh my gosh. So, ayun. We're at the beach. Inception. Hi, Vlogger Wa. Ang pangalan ng channel mo? Oh. Was World. Was World.
Wala pa eh.
Wala pa. Okay, subscribe to him. I-link ko na lang yung channel niya.
Wapil in the vlog.
Good morning!
Wapakels.
Day 2, Pico de Loro. Mga walang tulog. Kawawa. Ayun tayo eh. Yay! Ligo ulit. Good morning! River! Sa beach na ikaw. With Dada! Hi guys! Hello! Hi! Uy! Busy! So, day 2 here in Pico de Loro. Look at the fishes! Daming fish oh. Kasi hindi to underwater kami. So, ayun oh. May mga fish. Ayun. Ang dami nila! Malapit na. So, bongga talaga itong beach sa Pico. Ano? Busy? Busy ka kalakad? Busy ka kalakad po. Hi guys, day 2, Pico de Loro. Hey, we're now at the beach club area. I'm here with them. And makikita to nila, Jill, magagalit. Umorder kayo, hindi na kasama. Pero ito, order na. Si River, natulog na siya. Pinatulog namin siya dun sa may ano, yung may mga bed doon, day beds. Kasama yung siya, yan. And now we're just eating some snacks before lunch. Snacks before
Lunch before snacks.
Lunch before snacks. Ayun. And I'm gonna show you. Green mango shake.
Lahat ba gusto mo? Tabasco?
Yes.
Lang?
Yes, for Tabasco. And that's their nachos and Hawaiian pizza. Yeah. Hey guys! Much later na. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Trinay ko talagang mag-swim dun sa pool na isang lap na walang tigil. So ayun, dito na kami sa Big Ben's Kitchen. The brand new Big Ben's Kitchen. So along Centennial Road. So if you're coming from your vacation, you're going back to Manila, stop by Big Ben's Kitchen. Makakabili kayo ng kanilang famous longganisa. Longganisa nila. Big Ben's Heritage. Hometown Imus longganisa. 220 tapos 400. Ayan. This is our longganisa meal. So, meron kami. Ano tawag dito? Tagalog. Batchoy Tagalog.
Batchoy Tagalog.
Here we are. We're eating. Kasyang-kasya ang malaking group of people dito. Ana? Ana, baby? Nasaya ikaw? Hi, River. Hi. Say hi! Hi! Ayun na, tinusok niya na. Tinusok niya na. Hindi ka pwede niyan. Salmonella ka. At hindi ka pwede niyan. Kasi hilaw yan rin. Hindi yan luto. Tissue mo. I-tissue mo. I-tissue. Ayan. We're on our stopover here at Big Ben's Kitchen. On the way back to Manila. And there's Big Ben. I'm kidding. There's Jean. Hi, Jean! So, bagong-bago yung kanyang restaurant. So nice. And super sarap ng food. Yeah. It's a winner! Yun, ubos. Ang sarap. Tapos ito, favorite ni River. Ano nga ulit yung Jean?
Ayun na.
Ayan na, palapit na siya ng palapit. Ano ulit yung Jean?
Bak choy Tagalog.
Bak choy, Tagalog. Gusto na baby.
Ano natin?
Bestseller. Papakit yan eh. Gusto niya laruin yan, no? Yung mga garapon na yan, no? Kaya kakain siya. Gusto niya nilalakad. Ubos. Walang naiwan. Walang naiwan. Sa longganisa. Meron din pala sila brewed coffee dito. Sarap. Ito. Brewed coffee. Hey, Ma'am Shi. Ay! Nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Wait lang. Oh, no, baby. Oh, no. Gusto na mag-mimi. Maya na mag-close ng vlog. Okay. So, nakauwi na kami. Ayan si River. Meron na akong tan lines. No? I love it. Tip para magka-tan lines. Isang swimsuit lang ang suotin nyo forever sa buong trip nyo para same lang yung tan lines nyo. Diba, bebe? Thank you, Dada, for the birthday treat.
Welcome! Happy birthday to you!
I love you guys. Thank you. And salamat sa panonood. Ay, salamat. Nahala na pala kayo. Salamat sa panonood ng vlog na to. Gusto ko lang sana pasalamatan yung mga nag-greet sa akin sa YouTube. Kasi nag-post ako sa YouTube, Dad, na wala akong video mo na ma-upload. Kasi I got, you know, yung workshop and then nagkasakit ako and then we're on a trip. Ang daming nag-comment. Thank you lang muna ako sa inyo. Ito, 9 comments. From Lovely Castro, shout out. Sabi niya, happiest birthday, Mami Ruth. Wish you all the best. Trixie Romero, salamat sa pag-greet. Miss Rochelle Ismol, salamat po. Julie Mama. That's so cute, Julie Mama. Happiest birthday, Mami Ruth. God bless. Jewel Mendoza, happy birthday. Abby Manalang. Abby Manalang has been there from day 1 nung vlog ko. So, thank you, sis Abby, for your birthday greeting. Really appreciate. Aya Gibergru. Ay, hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yun. Pero sabi niya, happiest birthday, Mami Ruth. Have a great one. God bless your family. Thank you po. Wala na akong boses. Medyo may sakit pa ako, guys, eh. Kaya nag-inom ako ng salabat. And, Alisa Bustamante. Happy birthday, Mami Ruth. God bless you and your family. Mark Jenlinga. Happy birthday, Mami Ruth. God bless. Your videos helped me a lot during my pregnancy last... Dada! Kulit ng dalawang to. Last 2017 kit. Inspiring more momshies. Enjoy your special day. Many thanks po. And ayun nga, nag-reply ako pero ibang ibang account. Sorry guys. Medyo ngarag na kasi naka-login pala ako sa Miss K. Chris. Pero I said thank you to everybody. Back to reality na ulit bukas. So I'm gonna work hard tomorrow to edit more videos for you. And this video also para makarating agad sa inyo. Comment down below pala kung ano yung mga questions nyo for me. We will try to answer it. Me, Dada, and River will try to answer your questions on the next vlog. Kagaya ng ginagawa ni Erin. She does that. She answers questions by the end of each weekly vlogs niya. So, yeah, comment kayo para ma-feature natin yung comment niyo on the next vlog. Maraming salamat sa panonood. As always, subscribe for good vibes and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye! Bye, Dad. Close the vlog.
Bye!
Appear mo yung kamay mo dun. Appear. Whoop! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Nagbababay na. Bye-bye, everyone! Matulog ka na po! Sleep na po! Ah! Cute. Ah, peekaboo. Where's River? Where's River? Peekaboo. Na, where's River? Na. Ah, you're so cute. Na. River. Sleep na uwi. Dudong. Ay, ano yan? Oh my God, lalaro pa. Ano na, pagod na? Pagod na ba yan? Laro ka pa more? Laro pa more. Laro pa more, bebe. Laro pa more. Wala, give up na. Ka makapag-decide? Give up ka na ba? Or laro ka pa? Laro pa pala yan.